Hey, Sam here. Let's talk about Stori. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this offer. Let's agree on one thing. Web stories are a sure way to boost traffic and rank higher. Stori is a cloud-based, drag-and-drop web story agency builder that helps you create unique local business and professional web stories that you can sell on and index on Google without any technical skills. Pick a template, add e-commerce stores, pools, quizzes, and other engaging elements to your web stories. Stori lets you create a web story agency in only 3 steps. Step number 1: create a web story. From the dashboard, you can immediately access your stories and use the search bar. Choose one of the templates and enter a story title. Step number 2: customize. You can change the color background or add a custom background. You can change text style and add graphic elements. You can add engaging elements like polls, buttons, and product tagging to sell products from stories. Once you are done, preview and publish. Step number 3: publish. Click on Publish. Customize SEO settings. You can add analytics and validate your stories. Get the code and embed your story. You can create a QR code and share the short link. Inside the Store Manager, you can add the products that you want to sell. You can use your domain. Prices and OTOs included in this offer.
Alright, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the Stori app. We're going to check out some incredible features. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create stunning stories for loads of different niches using ready-made templates or from scratch. I'll show you how to customize designs by adding backgrounds, images and videos, CTAs, and a bunch more. I'll show you how to add and manage products on the Digital Store Manager and how to share your stories to multiple platforms in just a few clicks. We've got a lot to cover here, so let's get into it. Once you log in, you'll land here on the dashboard, on the Home tab. And here is where you'll be able to see all of the stories that you've created so you can quickly access and edit them. You can also search for your projects up here in the search bar. And another cool feature is you're able to create different workspaces, and this lets you categorize and sort your projects so that they're easy to find. Now, over here, we have the Templates tab. Here is where you can find all the pre-made story templates for tons of different niches: restaurants and cafes, services, gyms and fitness, events, online events, and loads more. I'll show you how to use them shortly. Next, then here we have the Media tab, where you can upload all of your own media. Now, this app comes with thousands of free stock images, GIFs, and videos for you to use, but you can also add your own media. Just make sure that they're in one of these formats, and you'll be able to access them inside the editor. Alright, now before we check out the rest, let's go in and create a story. So first, go here and click on New Story. Now you've got 2 options: From Scratch, which will give you a completely blank canvas to work from, and From Templates. Now let's go with this one for now. You can either search for a category here, or you can scroll until you see one that you like. Then click Use Template over here. First, you'll need to give your project a name. Then click Create. And this is going to open up the editor where you can customize to your heart's content. Start by changing the background color, or adding an image or video background. I'll search for pizza. And I'm going to use this one. Now you can go ahead and edit the text. So double-click on the text, and you can change the alignment. You can pick from 50 different fonts. You can change the font style, the opacity. Play around with the font color and the stroke colors until you're happy. Alright, then if you want to change the image, just right-click on the image and click Delete. Then you can go over here to the Media tab and add a new one from the stock image library, or upload your own. Go down here and open up the Media library. Then click Add Media. Upload. And here it is. Now you can move it around and resize it easily. How about we add a new element? You can choose from stickers, emojis, shapes, and icons. Scroll to the category you want, and here it is. You can add a CTA or call to action, and this is super important. Add buttons like this one to redirect customers to a website. If you've added products in the store manager, you can add this CTA that will take them to the store where they can purchase items. Once you click it, you can select the product and the link, then tag the product. More on this shortly. You can add polls, quizzes, and so on. And all the text and answers and boxes are all customizable. Just pick one, click it on the editor, and you can make all the changes you want. Once you've finished your design, you can click the Preview button. And if you're happy with everything, you'll click here on Publish. Then you can add meta tags for SEO, track analytics by adding the Google or Facebook tracking ID. You can also ensure your story meets all the requirements for proper SEO. And here is where you'll find all the publishing options. Copy this code to your HTML. You can create a scannable QR code, or copy the short link. And that's it. Now let's head back to the home page, and let's have a look at the store manager that I mentioned earlier. So this is where you can actually add and manage products for your stories. So if you're selling bags or clothing or shoes and so on, you can do that here. Click on Add Product. Then you can enter the product name. So let's say shirt. Product description, we can say 100% cotton shirt, size medium. And then let's add a price. So first select a currency. And then I'll just make this $10. You can also mark it on sale over here. Right, then click Next. Now you can add the digital asset zip file. And then we can add an image of the product. And you can add more if you'd like, but we'll just keep these for this one. Click Next. And you can see it's been added. So you can then access this in the store section while creating your story and add it to that. Now you can also view all your orders over here. You can check out the analytics, like the sales report overview, how many products and orders you've had, and your overall income. So this is great for keeping track of everything. Alright, now moving on to the Settings tab. This is where you'll be able to update all your profile info, your name, email, and password, and billing settings. And then here at Domain, this is where you'll be able to add your own custom domain. So just follow the steps here, and then click Add Domain, and it'll be added. And that's it. This is an extremely powerful and useful app that's going to save you tons of time and effort and help you create stunning and engaging stories.